While cleaning out my basement, I came across this old matchbook collection of mine, a colorful blast of the no longer there stomping grounds of my youth. In this video, I flip through this little time capsule and I choose some favorites to illustrate in a new sketchbook spread. First up, La Boca, the mouth, a Mexican restaurant we visited many times to see a local band on Saturday nights. For the kids out there, smoking used to be allowed in public indoor spaces in the US. Its ban was a delight to my non-smoking self, but it did put an end to my matchbook collecting. Before the ban, just about everywhere, from neighborhood dives and motels to classy restaurants, sports teams, weddings, and US senators gave them away for free. And my greedy little hands were there to scoop them up. People might meet a new pal when they were out and about and use a free matchbook to write their name and number, and maybe their annual income for their new friend to consider. The Billy Goat Tavern and its bizarre, kind of frightening subterranean entrance was a thrill to visit. It had been the inspiration for the old Saturday Night Live bit that I had adored as a young teen. I made up this little illustration of a set of matches to include inside one of my little matchbooks. Mama Leone's. I have vague memories of it as a New York institution, a very traditional Italian restaurant, but I don't have any memories of personally being there. The Bull and Finch Pub in Boston is another iconic place that's in my collection. It's a fun place to visit, especially because its exterior is used for the setting of the Cheers TV show. The inside looks nothing like it, though.
Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot.
And I had a lot of fun with this one because it's a little matchbox, and I designed a little pull-out for my sketchbook. Here's a little peek at the paper mechanism I made to allow the matches to pull in and out. Then I made a bird's eye view of a bar top in my sketchbook. I used colored pencil and gouache, and then I strewed my matchbooks on top along with a little cocktail and some used matches. I used watercolor pencils to make this cranberry cocktail, and it became so liquidy looking once I added the water. Few more chestnuts. One of my brothers went to West Point, and about my favorite job ever might have been working at Caldor as a young teen into my college years. Smuggler's Inn was nicknamed Strugglers Inn in my hometown, and some remnants from our wedding. So then I assembled everything in my sketchbook spread using these glue dots. My first time using this product, and it worked really well, and it's fun to see them all gathered together. I want to thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any treasured old collections lurking in your basement or your attic?